Today we go back to Jarvis Park to see what's happening because it's a party out there. So we're gonna try something different. Since you guys liked the first video I did, the Crazy Adventures, let's check out the party zone in Medellin right now. Let's go. So we're literally walking down the street right now to see what's happening in the park today. Hi, ladies. We are now going into the park. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're in the park right now. This is Lorella's Park. This is way different than it was before. It's very touristy now. They have closed down a lot of things that used to be open here that attracted the wrong crowd. It's really late at night. I'm not sure what time it is. I'll probably say it later on in this video. But as you can see, there's still beautiful women everywhere. Hi, ladies. Hello, ladies. It's crazy out here. Yo, they closed. Oh no, they closed it. We're just gonna walk down a little bit more. It's a little bit different now. One of the biggest clubs right there, Jarvis Park. I think they closed it down. As you can see, the ladies over here. Gentlemen, it is a different ball game out here. There's ladies everywhere. We got people all over here. A lot of these girls are working. Let's go down this road over there. And we'll come back to the park after. This is why they call it a park. It's literally a park. Let's go down that road over there and check that out. There's girls everywhere, guys. Look at that. It's also like 3:30 in the morning right now, so it's crazy. Let's go down over here. This area, a lot of people who live in Colombia come and party here as well. There's a lot of foreigners on the other side where I showed you where the park is, but here you're gonna see a mix of both. This is what I mean. most of these people look like they live in Medellin. They're not expats or anything like that. They just look like normal people that live here. Right on. Thanks. All right, we're back at the park. Let's see what's going down in the park. Damn. See, gentlemen, there's ladies everywhere, as I said. A lot of these girls are working girls. Fuck yeah. Yeah. All sorts of people outside. That's cool. All sorts of people outside. All sorts of people. This is when it gets interesting. This is when it gets interesting. About to walk outside of the park zone and back to the street. I hear somebody call my name. Look who it is. Look who it is. It's too late. It's my homegirl Paula.
How are you?
Yeah, this is like the spot. This is where all the working girls are outside. This is where everything gets done. It's busy. This is where it gets busy. Look. This girl's in the corner just waiting for somebody to pick them up. Beautiful, but crazy that she's just waiting for somebody. These guys are rapping all over the streets. They just rap at you. you're in America, you can only imagine if this was the streets that you could walk down, but it's not the same over there. Chicas everywhere. And it feels like it goes on forever. These streets just full of people and full of women, which is crazy.
$1.
It gets busy down here. All the people that come through. Yeah. No, nothing there, probably. And it gets through. And this is called a Chiba bus. Chiba? There's a Chiba bus right here. That's where the party goes down. It's tickets to the after hours. And this bus is for free. This guy's trying to jump off the bus. Oh, he made it. And he jumped on the bus.
Right or left? Right or left?
The door unlocked when we were driving. Welcome to Medellin.
You trying to make your own fun.
And we're at the destination. This is where everyone has to get off. Ciao, ciao. So this is where it takes you to the after party, which ends at 7:30 a.m. Come out to Medellin, it's a blast. Catch you in the next video.